In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the sales pipeline in Salesforce CRM. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well versed in managing your sales processes, helping you to meet your sales targets more efficiently. Let's start by navigating to the right place. Open Salesforce and locate the app launcher icon. This is your gateway to a host of Salesforce apps. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Sales. This will bring you to the sales section, where you'll find everything you need to manage your sales activities effectively. Once you're in the Sales Hub, the next step is to find the Opportunities tab. The Opportunities section is where you'll manage all potential sales deals, so clicking on this tab will be key for us to dive into the pipeline. Now, to get a visual representation of your sales journey, switch to the Kanban view. This view offers a visual layout of your sales pipeline, allowing you to see each opportunity at a glance. The Kanban view is particularly helpful for understanding your sales process linearly and seeing at a glance which opportunities need attention. With the Kanban view open, it's time to customize your opportunity stages. Think of these stages as steps in a sales process, each stage representing a significant milestone that needs to be achieved before moving forward. Tailoring these stages to fit the unique flow of your sales process can make your pipeline much more effective. One of the advantages of the Kanban view is the ease of updating the progress of opportunities. Simply drag and drop opportunities from one stage to another as they advance through the sales cycle. This intuitive action reduces the need for manual data entry, ensuring that your pipeline updates are quick and seamless. Moving forward, take a look at the totals displayed in each stage column. These totals represent the sum of the potential revenue from opportunities within each stage. By regularly checking these figures, you can quickly assess the health of your pipeline and forecast future sales. Finally, to gain further insights into your sales performance, click on the Pipeline Inspection. This feature provides a comprehensive overview of your pipeline status, highlighting key metrics and potential bottlenecks that may need attention. Engaging with the pipeline inspection regularly can help you optimize your efforts and ensure your team focuses on the right opportunities at the right times. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to harness the full power of Salesforce's sales pipeline, guiding your team toward more successful sales outcomes. Keep exploring these features and you'll continually refine your strategy. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.